Hello, hello, hello. A very, very good evening to all the Growthify community members and all the members who have joined today's quick AI learning session. I'm your host, Rohit, and I welcome each and every one of you for this amazing quick AI learning session that we are going to be doing today for 15-20 minutes. And today we have an interesting use case where you will be learning how to create your own chatbots, okay, and share it with the world, your friends, family, wherever you want. Like literally in under 3 minutes you'll be able to create your own AI chatbots to which you can interact, and also you can share it with others so that others can also use it, okay. And it can be for multiple use cases, okay. You can think of your own use cases, like maybe you want to practice interviews, right? For your next job, you can practice that. If you want a guide for a startup, like you want to start a business but you won't need guidance or brainstorming for that, you can do that, right? Or there are so many use cases. And not only that, I'll be showing you how you can access and use other people's chatbots as well, okay. And that too completely free of cost. You can even give it your own voice, that AI assistant, basically that AI chatbot you will be creating, right? So let me know who all are super excited for this. Please bring on the energy today. Come on, let me know in the chat section, are you excited? And turn on your cameras, let me see who all are here. Why are you hiding behind the camera? Come on, let's bring on the community here. Turn on your cameras. Awesome. I would need your energy today. Awesome. Excited, super excited, right? We have an exciting community here. So all the new members who might have joined this session for the first time, you're not yet part of our community. Absolutely fine. Okay. Please listen to this session carefully, step by step for next 15-20 minutes. So we have started this series where I'm sharing with our members who join these sessions one use case, one AI tool, whatever that is, on a daily basis so that you can implement it right away. And in fact, I really want you to implement today's learnings, okay? Because it's going to be super helpful. We have covered this few times, okay, not few times, I would say 2 times at least, okay, in our community. So some of you might find it like you're learning it again. I'm intentionally repeating it because it is so powerful. If you're not implemented before, even if you learned it, today is the day that you learn and implement it, okay. So let's get started with the session. So the tool that I'm going to be sharing with you today is called Character AI, okay. Character AI. And there is a very interesting story behind this, the story of a founder, okay, of this startup. Okay, what the story is, some of you already know that I've shared it previously in our community, but I'll share with you an interesting story here, okay, before we begin, because that will, you know, give you an idea of why this startup is so important. Imagine you're working profession, okay, you're in your own company, right? And you're working on a side project, okay, because company allows you to work on side projects. So this particular founder was working in Google, and if some of you might know, many of you might not know, Google officially gives its employees 20% time to explore and experiment with different projects. Yes, you heard it right. 20% of the work week. That means if there are like 5 work days, then a Google employee can spend one day without doing the official work assigned to that person and experiment with projects. In fact, the Gmail that we use, okay, came out of that strategy. In fact, Google has been doing that since year 2000, 2001, like that. Because of that flexibility and freedom for employees to explore different projects, people started doing multiple projects. And Gmail, everybody uses Gmail, is a result of that idea. Okay, like someone was working as a prototype for that and then got into Gmail. And there are so many other projects. So this employee who was working on a side project, he presented to the Google employee, basically the management, and they thought, okay, it's not that interesting. And out of frustration, this guy left the company and started his own company with that project, okay, that he was working on. And then what happened is, with the AI boom, that project got, like, crazy number of users. It got so viral, okay, and that project is Character AI. What Google had to do was, okay, they could not acquire that company, but they rehired that employee, basically now the founder of this product, Character AI, for whooping, any guesses? Some of you might know this, okay, for $2.7 billion. That's like more than 20,000 crore rupees. If you go and check out on Google, Google reportedly spent $2.7 billion to rehire. That means, okay, come back. Okay. He's not a Google employee as of now, but he's working on this project along with Google. Okay. Character AI. Character AI founder. $2.7 billion is a crazy number. $1 billion is 8,500 crore rupees. Okay, multiply that by 2.7, it's like more than 20,000 crore rupees. So that's like a crazy story. So don't doubt your side project. Okay, don't doubt your side project, because who knows, your project might be like worth multi-billion dollars or multi-million dollars. Never underestimate the project, right? And that's what I keep on telling our diamond members as well. Whatever idea you have, just execute it, okay? And let's see the result of it. And they execute it, and then they achieve awesome results with that. Now, what I want to share with you is that this character AI tool, what are we going to do is, I'm going to be explaining 2 to 3 steps for you to do this. First of all, you go to Character AI, create a free account, completely free account. Okay. And you'll see an interface like this, where there are so many already created chatbots, okay, by other people, already created so many chatbots. You can chat with any of these publicly available chatbots. So there are thousands of use cases that are covered. For example, you want to practice a new language, you want to plan a trip, you want to practice interviewing, right? Let's explore this quickly. So this is an interviewer chatbot created by someone. Okay. You can interact with this with voice. You can interact with this with chat. For example, I'm going to say, okay. And now with this chatbot, I can practice my interviews. Okay.
Interview for the software engineer position at Acme Corp. What programming languages have you worked with?
So can you see that? So it's interacting with me in the voice format, and I can even call, like I can have a phone telephonic interview practice with this assistant. Okay. For example, let me turn on the call. Hello, I want to practice for my interview, which is scheduled in 1 week for a software engineering position. Can you help me?
Sure, I'd be happy to help you practice for your software engineering interview. What type of questions do you need help with?
I'm specifically applying for a front-end web developer position. Can you help me with that?
Great. Front-end interviews can be a bit different than regular software engineer roles, so I'll keep the focus on your specific area. I have some questions for you then. Tell me about a website or web app you've built in the past and what technologies it was using.
Okay. So you got the idea, right? You can have a telephonic conversation with this chatbot, and that chatbot can be anything, be it an interview practice assistant or anything. You can take up a figure as well. Okay. I've demonstrated earlier. I'll share it with you once again, right? Elon Musk, for example, you want to have a telephonic conversation with Elon Musk. You can straight away just call, and this is an AI version of Elon Musk. Okay. Trained on that data. So you can have chat with it. Like this, you can do it with multiple things, right? Multiple chatbots. So that's the first use case of, character AI. You can chat with thousands and thousands of chatbots for different use cases, for story writing, trip planning, interview practice, learning, brainstorming, whatnot. Like you can just book recommendations. Can you see this? Right? You can get to that. Now, what we are going to be covering, another use case is you can create your own chatbots. Okay, so there are 2-3 steps for that. Please pay attention here. So the first step is you can upload your own voices for the AI assistant. Okay, the chatbot that's going to be getting created. Okay, you can have it. You can give it your own voice. How to do that? Please follow my cursor on the screen, and you go to the option called create on the left hand side top. So you can create a character or you can create a voice as well. So I'm going to click on voice first. Now you see, you can upload your own voice recording, maybe on WhatsApp or wherever you recorded a voice clip in the MP3 format. You can upload it here. So I'm going to be uploading my voice clip here. Okay. And let's see. So I uploaded this
Hello.
document 27 seconds audio clip to this, and I'm going to click on generate my voice. So this AI system behind character AI is going to understand my voice. Okay.
In a realm of dragons and knights, I'll be your guide to epic legends.
Can you see that? It's I would say 70-80% relevant to my voice. I'll just replay it.
In a realm of dragons and knights, I'll be your guide to epic legends.
Okay, so I'm going to give it my own name, and I'm going to keep it to myself. I'm not going to make it public. So I'm going to not tick this. I'm going to click on create voice. Okay, that's
In a realm of dragons and
my
knights,
voice is created. Okay, my voice is created. Now, the next step that you can do is go to character. And here is an interesting step. Here, you can create your own voice. You can create your own AI assistant, basically chatbot, for any use case. You can give it any name, any random name that you want. You can give a tagline, you can give a description of what that assistant does. Okay. You see, this assistant will describe itself. Say, for example, I'm creating a mock interview practice assistant. Say it will describe, okay, I am a mock interview practice interviewer and I'll help you with mock interview like that. Okay. Then greeting. What will the first message that will go to the user who is trying to use that? Okay. And then you can add your own voices. You see, if I have my own voice, I can use that. I can use other people's voices as well. And the definition of what this chatbot does. But I'm going to show you one additional trick here. Okay. Say I don't want to take time, or I'm lazy to even type this. Okay. What's the tagline and description and all of that. And because of this, I'm going to show you another trick. Okay. That I usually use. So I'm taking this opportunity to share with you another tool. It's not exactly an AI tool, but it's going to be helpful for a lot of you. So there is a tool called Awesome Screenshot. Okay. It's like, this free Chrome extension, you can download it on your browser. And with this Chrome extension, you can record, you can take a screenshot, you can take a screen record with voices, background audio, and all of that. Or you can also take a screen capture of the entire website. What do I mean? Say, for example, right now, this part is visible on my screen, right? But I want to take a screenshot of the entire website from the top to the bottom in one document. Okay, in one document, not like multiple screenshots, screenshot number one, then scroll down, screenshot number two, not like that, like in one document or one image. How will I do that? This tool enables me to do that, right? So I already installed my Chrome extension here. What I'm going to do is I'm going to take a screenshot of this entire page and give it to ChatGPT and ask ChatGPT to give me the answers that I can write here. And I'll just copy and paste here. Okay, understood? We are going to, use it a different way. So I'm going to click on this awesome screenshot. Can you see this icon? I'm going to click on this, and you see, do I want to capture or do I want to record my screen? And by the way, this is a free account of Awesome Screenshot, so you can go for free. It's very useful. I want to take a visible part. That means only this, or I want to take a full page. So I'm interested in full page because I want to take a full screenshot. I'm going to upload to ChatGPT and ask for the answers. Okay. You see full page. I'm going to click on full page and you'll see it's automatically scrolling and taking the entire screenshot. Can you see that? Entire screenshot is done literally in under a second. I'm going to click on done and I'm going to download it. Okay. And once I download this, okay, I can go to basically, just a moment. Okay. I can go to ChatGPT now and I can upload this. I can upload this because I don't want to write. You can, by the way, it's very simple. You can write it yourself, but I just want to take an opportunity to share with you another tool. Okay, like this, like you can use it this way as well. Now I'm going to go to my own profile where this is stored, right? Just a moment. In my profile, and I'm going to download this. Just a moment. And I'm going to go back to ChatGPT. I'm going to upload this image. I'm telling it I want to create an AI chatbot using character AI. Refer this image and give me text for blank fields. Okay, that's it. Like, so these are the blank fields, right? I want to get the text for this. I've given ChatGPT the context that I want to create an AI chatbot for mock interview. I'm going to say that. Okay, that's it. Now ChatGPT is going to read this image and give me exactly the text for each of the things. Can you see that? Character name, in tagline, description, greeting, all of that. I'm going to click on, I'm going to copy this, paste it here. Maybe I can change this to this. Then tagline, your virtual coach for mastering interviews, paste this. Paste the description. I can change it, okay, if I want. But for now, I'm going to just copy each and everything. And definition, right? So I'm going to go here and paste the definition. Okay. So I can write it. That's the easiest step, but I wanted to do it better and in a smart way, or I would say easy way. So I took a screenshot, pasted in ChatGPT and asked ChatGPT to give me the answers for this. Copy and paste it, right? And then I can choose the voice. For example, I can choose this, whatever voice I want. Say I just select this one, and visibility is public. So do I want this chatbot that I create to be visible to anyone who comes to Character AI and searches for a keyword of interview? Or do I want to keep it to private, only usable by me, that I want to only use it for myself and I don't want to share it with the world? Or you want to share it with only the people who have the link of this chatbot, like a Google Drive file, right? We have the Google Drive, like only the people with the link can view or download or edit or something like that, right? So I'm going to keep it public, for example. And when I'm done, on the right hand side bottom, I'm going to click on create character. That's it. Literally. That's how easy it is to create your own AI chatbot. The mock interviewer pro is done. Can you see the welcome instructions? I'm going to turn on the right hand side top. You will see this option of some audio. I'm going to turn this on, and here it is. Listen to this.
Hello, I'm your mock interviewer. Let's get started with a practice interview. Tell me the role you're preparing for, and I'll tailor my questions to help you succeed.
Interesting. And then anyone, basically you yourself, can use it, or other people can also use it. Okay. How do you do that? You can share this. You see, go to the right side top. There's an option called share, right? Click on this. You'll get the link, like copy link, and you can share it with the friends, family, wherever, on WhatsApp, email, wherever you want. You can just do it, or you can share it in WhatsApp right here, on Gmail, wherever you want. If you want to customize the voice options, you can change the voices as well to your own voice. You can do that. Or else there are so many other options like customizing. You can customize the look and feel of this chatbot for the end users to see. You can change the profile picture if you want for this mock interview assistant, okay, the AI assistant, and so many other things, okay, you can explore. So this is how you create your own AI chatbot for your own use cases, or use other people's chatbots on this platform, and also share this with the world, right? And it's going to be super fun. In fact, if you see, there is a call option here as well. By default, whatever chatbots that you create, there will be a calling option. So end users will be able to speak with this assistant, okay, the chatbot assistant that you create. Interesting, right? And by the way, I'm doing this in the free account of Character AI, not even need to upgrade. Okay, you can keep interacting with this assistant as long as you want, because in the free account itself, they give a lot of I would say uh, options to chat, okay, for so many messages. So you can take a look at that. This is how you create. And by the way, one more thing I want to share with you. There is a official documentation present given by this tool Character AI. I'll be sharing this link with all of you. If you want to create a more advanced, or I would say more customized chatbot for yourself, you can go through this document and understand the best practices to, create a chatbot. And then they have given examples as well. There is a documentation on the left hand side as well. Can you see that? And you can refer this and create your amazing AI assistant. Okay, so I'm sharing the link in the chat section for this. Okay, for this tutorial that is right now on your screen. Okay, for the quick creation of the chatbots, you can refer to multiple steps and create your chatbot. Awesome. So using Character AI, it's super fun. In fact, I use it sometimes for just having fun. Okay, with different characters. You can also take a look at that. It's super awesome tool. Trip planner, language practicing. There are so many others. Can you see this category wise distribution as well of the chatbots for creativity and writing, or history, or humor, or learning, or lifestyle, parody? And then there are so many others. If you just keep scrolling, there are so many assistants already created by people. Okay, so make sure you use that. And one mini challenge that I want to offer you as we come to the end of this session is, immediately after this session, imagine this session is till 8:30. Okay, right now it's 8:19. Imagine this is till 8:30. In next 10 minutes, create that chatbot. Okay, create that chatbot. Okay, we're going to be closing this session in next 1 minute, but I want you to sit where you are and create this chatbot, and then only leave for your dinner or whatever you want to do. Okay, let's do that. And tomorrow I'll ask you, and hopefully so many of you will create that and experience the magic of this AI assistants, right? Magic chatbots. So for what use case would you love to create an AI chatbot? Please let me know in the chat section. For what use case? Mansi, there is no Notion link for today. It's only this document, okay, that I've shared. Okay, interviewer, right? Interview. Then what else? Coding, interesting. Ebooks, okay, for creating ebooks. Health coach, traveling, love guru. That's an interesting use case. In fact, let me tell you, just because you brought the topic, AI girlfriends is rising. Okay, AI girlfriends, the people who have created products around AI girlfriends, it's on crazy rise. Okay, like some of you might know there is a company called OnlyFans. Okay, not available in India, I believe. Okay, like, but globally it's available, and people are creating AI influencers, literally AI influencers, virtual AI influencers, mainly in the form, mainly female influencers, and making crazy money with that. Okay, uh, we have covered AI influencers some time ago. We'll create AI influencers sometime again in the future. Okay, so maybe you can learn. And by the way, I have a good news for all of the members, whether you are for all of you, that this month we are having two boot camps. The registration link and the details of those boot camps. Okay, one is going to be a money growth boot camp, which will help you understand how you can make create additional sources of income, like valid sources of income in 2025, to make it one of the best years for your money as well. And second is going to be business growth bootcamp as well, and we are thinking of career growth bootcamp as well. But right now, these 2-3 boot camps we are going to be we have lined up. Okay, so next weekend, that is the weekend of, I believe, 22nd of December and 29th of December. Each weekend there will be two different boot camps. Okay, and yeah, certainly we'll be opening up new slots for our diamond as well. So the members who miss the Black Friday offer, you will have the best opportunity there as well to join the diamond membership. Okay, awesome. Thank you so much everyone for joining today's session, and take care of yourself. As I said, until 8:30, please sit down on your seats and create a chatbot, and then only get up from there. Okay, bye bye. Take care of yourself. And we'll do the weekly session in this week on Friday, and we'll do Q&A as well. If you have any questions, I'm there to answer all your questions. Okay, on Friday. Thank you so much. Thank you. Yesterday's notes, I'll share once again. I've already shared multiple times in the groups as well. You have, but I'll be sharing it once again in the chat or Zoom chat right away for the members who might have missed, or maybe this might be your first session. Here is the link. Okay, please take a note of that. Yesterday's session is all the daily sessions that we have conducted over the period of last 4 to 5 sessions. Okay, please take a look at that. Awesome. Screenshot link. Awesome screenshot is the name of the tool. Awesome screenshot. I'm pasting in the chat as well. Okay. I'm here for a minute. Okay. Just to see whether you are here creating the. For bootcamps, the details will be shared very soon in this week. Okay. The exact dates, timings, and the agenda of the bootcamp, it will be shared very soon. Please make sure to join the session, daily sessions. Okay, Vamshi is saying created mind-blowing personal interaction, right, with the chatbot that you created. Surahat will be covering that in the career bootcamp. So make sure to join that career bootcamp. Okay, for the CV. Abhilash, you can try that. You can try that approach. Okay. Excited to join Diamond Group, Deepak. Yeah, would be very happy to have you, Deepak. You have been one of our very committed and consistent members. So we'll be opening up the Diamond membership seats, around the end of this month for the new membership that we are starting from January. So. Okay. I hope you are doing that. So please continue, and I'll drop off now, and take care of yourself, and create the chatbot. Okay, don't just leave it. It will take hardly 2 minutes for you to create, but experience the magic of it. Okay, bye. We'll share on the WhatsApp as well. Sino, don't worry, we'll share the URL on the WhatsApp. Okay, Sundar is saying I'm joining Diamond tomorrow. Okay, Sundar, you can connect with my team for that. Thank you. Okay, I'll close the session now. Bye bye. Take care, everyone.